Welcome back to our channel. We have another fast take for all of our 67 to 72 Chevy C10 guys out there. CJ Pony Parts sells a ton of replacement panels, whether it be for a 67 to 72 C10, your square body, or even the earlier years of the C10. If you're trying to restore it or just trying to fix a spot that's rotted out on your truck, we more than likely have that body panel ready in stock and ready to ship. Now the panel that I have with us today is an A-pillar for 67 to 72. All you have to do is cut out the area that you're trying to fix, weld in your new panel, prep it, paint it, and then you have a brand new panel on your truck that's rust free.